morning 10th class students. In this video we are starting our second unit, electronic spreadsheet advanced. This is the first session, analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. The first topic is consolidating data. What do we mean by consolidation of data? When the data exists in several sheets, we can combine the data from several sheets as per our need using this feature. And this feature is available in data menu with a menu item named Consolidate, as it provides a graphical interface for copying data from one range of cells to another and then running one of a dozen functions on the data. In the process of consolidation, the contents of cells from several sheets can be combined in one place as per our need. We can consolidate data as per the functions available in the Consolidate dialog box. So let's understand conceptually what it is. There are three sheets right now in OpenOffice Calc with the workbook name Data for Consolidate and the extension of the file is ODS. In the sheet 1, the student Ram, Amit, Krishna, Kavita and Jeff, 5 subject marks in FA1 are available. And in the sheet 2 also, these same set of students, several subjects marks, English language 2, math, science and SST subject marks in FA2 are available. Now, in sheet 3, we have consolidated the data from sheet 1 and sheet 2. After consolidation, what it is giving the marks of each of the student in their respective subjects after adding the marks in FA1 and FA2. You can notice Ram has 70 marks in English in FA1 as well as in FA2 also 70 marks. So in sheet 3 after consolidation, the marks of Ram in subject English is 140. We can check for one more. Kavita has 52 marks in language 2 in FA1 and 52 marks in FA2 in language 2. So it should be 104. Kavita's score should be 104 in language 2 and you can notice it is 104. And why it is happening? Because majority of the time I have included the same set of values in FA1 and FA2. But you can understand the concept that the data has been consolidated from sheet 1 and sheet 2 and the resultant consolidated data is right now available in sheet 3. And how we will do it technically? Let's understand. First of all, the technical step is data and then we are going for consolidate menu item. And this consolidate dialog box is available and you can notice it's the same dialog box in your book as well. Every functioning will be covered here only. So the various functions to consolidate the data are available. I will continue with the same sum function. And already existing consolidation ranges, first we need to delete, so I have selected the range and press the delete button. Now you can select your source data range in three ways, either through the defined range name which is right now not available. You can enter directly the range here also and we can go with the third option, shrink. So when shrink, I am going in sheet 1 and selecting the range of cells to be consolidated in the sheet 1. So you can notice from sheet 1, from A3 up to F8 we are consolidating the data. This is A3 student name and last one is 54 which is F8. And again I am clicking the shrink button. After that, on pressing this add button, this will become our first consolidation range. Again, I need to select one more time the consolidation range because I want to combine the data from two sheets. Right now I have selected the data only from sheet 1, so shrink again. After that sheet 2 and select the range of cells in the sheet 2. You can notice source data range is sheet 2 dot and from A3 up to F8 again we are going to add. And in this manner we have selected our consolidation ranges. This is our source data ranges. On clicking on the add button, this has become available in the list of consolidation ranges. That means we are going to consolidate this two sheets, these range of cells. After that, copy results to where we want our resultant data. So right now I want to go in the shrink option, and I will select in the sheet 3 the particular cell where we want to reflect our result. So in the sheet 3 A24 cell, the result will start getting displayed. Shrink again and click on more button, and consolidate by options are available. Link to source data should be checked if you want the consolidated data to get automatically updated if we make any changes in sheet 1 or sheet 2. Now press the OK button, and you can notice this consolidation has taken place. If I make any changes in sheet 1, assume I am changing this marks to 90, RAM marks in English 90, and going back to sheet 3, you can notice 90 plus, in sheet 2 it is 70, so 90 plus 70 is 160. In this manner, we have done the consolidation of the sheets, consolidation of data from various sheets. Now going through the book again, notice this is the function. In the function drop down list, we can select the type of function we are applying on the consolidated data. Consolidation range is a range of cells which we are going to combine from various sheets. Source data range can be selected in 3 manners, either through the data range or specifying the range specifically directly here, or going through the shrink button. You will press the add button to add it in the consolidation ranges. Finally, once you have selected your source data ranges, you will select the copy results to where you want your result to be generated. And if you want to make sure that whenever you make changes in the original data, the consolidated data should automatically get updated, for that you will click this checkbox link to source data. And at the time of consolidation, you want the things like row labels and column labels should be taken care of automatically. Then you will check these both checkboxes, and same has been reflected in the book also. Now, how to create data range? You can create data range if I am going to create data range in the sheet 1. First of all, I will select this range of cells, and then in the data I will define the range, and I will give some range 1 name, and likewise in the sheet 2 also I am going to define the range, and I will define it as range 2. So in these 2 sheets we have created 2 ranges. Now in the sheet 3 again, if data and going for consolidation, and right now I am going to consolidate the data again. First of all, I will delete it, and when in the source data range I can directly select the range name now and add. But you can notice even when I am selecting the range, it is still changing in the proper sheet name dot the range of cells. Likewise, I will again select the range 2 and add, and after that I will go back in the link to source data, and right now I am deliberately unchecking it to reflect what will happen. Okay, it is not getting reflected. There is some technical issue. Let me check again what was the missing thing. I have missed copy results too. So right now again I will select this and shrink again, and now OK. So if I make changes here in J's score from 89 to 49, so in the sheet 1 it is right now 49, and in sheet 2 89, so in total it should be 138, but it is still the same as previous result. So because I have not chosen the option of link to source data, so when you will go for 49 plus 89, and you will get 138, but still this consolidation is reflecting the previous result. Previous result means 89 plus 89. Although I have made changes in the sheet 1, still it is showing the previous result. At the time of consolidation it has. That's why we will always prefer to link to source data whenever we want the consolidated data to get changed automatically. That's all for right now. Thank you.